I'm in my mom's car. We're going to go detail it today, but I needed you to hear what music my mama's listening to. Hello, friends. How you doing? I'm doing okay. It's a Saturday. It is October 5th, 6th, something like that. Hell, I don't know. Anyway, today we are going to work on a 2013 Chrysler 200. Now, we're just going to detail the inside and we'll give it a little bit of a wash. No big deal. We need to make sure there's no stickers in it because the driver doesn't want stickers at the bottom of her dress. She's got a couple of formal events to go to, so we're going to get her done. Alrighty, so let's take a look at the car. It's not that bad at all, but I maintain it pretty regularly. This is always the worst part of it, right here, because it's the driver that's in it 90% of the time, but it's not that bad other than that. And we are not doing the trunk. It's typical that I would not do the trunk on this vehicle. The mosquitoes are out. So today I'm also going to do my final thoughts review on Kich Chemie Polstar. Now I have been using this practically since I came back home from Dallas. That was in June, the June 15th to be exact. I sprayed bug spray, so now Bella's gonna be sneezing. Anyway, I am going to give my final thoughts review on this particular product. I want to make sure that I put this out there. I have used it on practically every car that has been through here. So let's get into it and I'll talk more about it. Let's get started. I'm just going to use this blue towel and see what kind of result we get. It's not too awful dirty. So my thoughts on the Polstar. I do really like the Polstar. Let me explain to you the one negative that I have. The one negative that I have is the scent. The scent is a little much for me. Why do I say that? The reason I say that is because it smells like a hospital room. And if you've been around me any length of time, you know that my daughter was sick with cancer and we spent a lot of time in the hospital. And it reminds me of those days. So I'm struggling with it. And it almost got to the point where I wasn't going to use it. So what I did is I added 3 drops of strawberry essential oil. And now it's fine. It got me past that point where I really didn't think I could use it because of the scent. But it actually worked out just by adding 3 little drops to a full bottle that I had made up, and now I'm golden. It's amazing how a detailing product can make that kind of a change. in somebody. Could bring back that kind of memory. It's crazy. So now that I got the negatives out of the way, what are my positives? My positives on Polstar are, it's a gentle cleaner. It is good even on, and I will admit, I wasn't sure it was gonna be. It's a gentle cleaner, but it still has a little bit of cleaning power. So those medium dirty vehicles, Polstar can be used. I really do like it. It does have the cleaning power that we need for some of these dirtier cars. Now, the really hammered one, it is not gonna work, so just so you know. But it's going to take care of a majority of the cars that you're going to be cleaning. Now, if you're a dealership detailer, make sure you have the stronger stuff on backup. Just saying. But Polstar, yeah, it'll do it. Something else Polstar will do is clean the door jambs. That's a big thing. I'm pretty convinced it's a pretty good cleaner. So if this is a clean car and I tell you to focus your energy, you're probably wondering, why am I going through all the trouble to wipe off every surface? Because it's a smoker's car. Okay, so my thoughts on Polstar. I like it. So I am thinking about going ahead and ordering some more now that I know I can mitigate the scent, because I do like this. I think that it works really good on a smoker's car, and it does work really good on the BMW, which has a lot of dust. It works great on my boss's pickup, which is a lot of work dust. You know, he runs to a lot of different work sites, so everything gets dusty and dirty. And if you know anything about dirty vehicles, all it takes is a layer of dust and the smell inside your vehicle is not so nice anymore. That's all the bacterias and stuff and dirt. So anyway, Polstar by Kich Chemie is a win for me. I would definitely buy it again, even though the scent is a problem, but now that I know how to mitigate that, it's not a problem. So anyway, thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, we'll see you later.